Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you what I got in my Boxycharm premium and base box. If you're interested in seeing how I got my face look this cute, okay, just keep on watching. Let's get right into it. So I just want to mention that I already opened these boxes, but I do have the premium and then I do have the base box. If you do get the premium and the base box together, it's quite a few coins. I wanted to see what I would get. I think I'm only doing it for this month. Might do it for next month. The base box starts at 25. That's without adding your state taxes. So for me, it comes out to 27. And then the premium box, you pay 35. They have 3 different subscription boxes: the base box, which is 25, the premium, which is 35, and then they have the box deluxe, which is quarterly. So you would pay your 25 with an additional 28. But if you don't want to do that, you can always just go ahead and do the box premium. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the base box. So Boxycharm has a theme every month. This month's theme is sunshine. It looks something like this. So I received 5 products in this month's box. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I got. This is the Kat Von D Signature Brow Precision Pencil. This retails for $22. But the only thing is, this is in taupe and it's not gonna match. The next product we received is the Crème Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter, and this retails for $20. The next item, this is the Ciaté London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. This retails for $22. So this item is the 111 Skin. This is the Pollution Defense Booster. This retails for an astronomical $135. Yes, I said it right, $135, baby girl. Last but not least, I am so excited because this brand is actually really good. I've used their eyeshadows before, but this is the Beauté Blushed in Paradise palette. This retails for $30. This palette is literally gorgeous. The color, like, I'm so ready to use this one. It looks so nice and beautiful on the skin. All of this together is like a good $200, and all I paid was $25 plus taxes. So it comes up to $28. If you are a makeup lover, this is the box for you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you my premium box, which my premium box, it got good goods. So the first thing I got is this little bag, and it says Boxycharm. With my lighting, I don't think you're gonna even be able to see it. And it has these 2 little pom-poms. Shelly pouch retails for $20. The next thing I got is this Pericone MD, the no makeup lipstick. This has SPF 15. This is what it looks like. The lipstick retails for $30. But this is the Nelson Beverly Hills, the Moisture Healing Mask. So this Moisture Healing Mask retails for $24. So this next item I got, I saw it in a Boxycharm like unboxing of video. I'm obsessed with those type of videos. This is the BrowBar Hollywood Icon Collection. It's a palette. Let me show y'all. This palette comes with a bronzer, 2 shades of blush, 2 shades of highlight, 4 shades of eyeshadow, and it comes with a translucent powder, which is great. But this is beautiful. This palette retails for $45. So I got this body lotion. It's from the Lord Jones brand, and this retails for $40. This last item I am so hyped about. I am gonna use this today, period. When this palette came out, I had to stop myself because I said I do not need any more palettes. I got the Morphe x Manny MUA Glam palette. Palette is $20. Look how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna go in with the Pollution Defense Booster. I'm gonna use this as a serum. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and shake it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take about that one. That feels nice. I'm actually gonna use the highlighter. This is in the color Rose Gold Glow. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that highlighter and apply it to my skin. Do you see that glow? It's not bad. So this highlighter isn't bad. I wouldn't wear it on top of my foundation just because of the undertone. I prefer more of like a gold bronze type of highlighter. That's just my preference, but it doesn't look bad on the skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my foundation routine. Once I'm done with my foundation routine, I'm gonna go ahead and move to the eyes. And once I'm done with my foundation, I'll be right back. So I'm actually in the middle of my foundation routine. I'm gonna actually use the setting spray that I got in my box. Ooh, yeah, look at this. This feels luxurious. I just finished beating my face. I'm gonna go ahead and start the eyes, but before I start the eye, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I love this concealer. This concealer is amazing and it's only $6. Can't go wrong with that, okay? Please. Okay, I'm literally just gonna take a splash of concealer just like that. Gonna go ahead and take my sponge and blend it out. So with the BrowBar palette, I'm only going to be taking this translucent powder. I'm going to be using it to set the concealer. I know a lot of people just start applying color straight while the concealer is sort of like tacky, but I just like to set the concealer. It is just a personal preference of mine. Don't mind my eyebrows. I am the worst when it comes to brows. I sometimes have a really good brow days and some days they don't look their best, but that's okay. The real star of the show, the eyeshadow. That is so pretty. Like, I'm seriously living for these colors. So excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be taking this color. It's called Sophie, and I'm gonna go ahead, apply this color to my crease like so. So it looks like there's nothing on my eyes, but there is something, okay? It looks like I have nothing. Like, I'm just literally setting it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with the color Zaya right here. It's this beautiful brown color. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take that and start blending it into my crease. Actually, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take that color Zaya. I'm gonna place it literally on my lid. I'm gonna take that color, place it on my lid, take it and blend it out. So the thing with eyeshadow is that when you first start, it's not gonna look all so pretty. Once you start blending, that's when it's gonna start to do its thing. Yeah, you just gotta keep blending. So I think I don't want to go any darker than this, so I'm gonna go ahead and take color Aries. I really want to use that shade, so go ahead and take that color and just apply it to my lid. So I'm not really liking how the Aries is looking on the eye. It's not looking as pigmented as I would like it to, and I'm applying with a brush and with my finger. I don't know how well this is gonna layer, but I'm gonna take the BrowBar palette. I'm gonna be taking that green color, so I'm gonna take a little bit of that green and I'm gonna apply it with my finger. Actually, I'm actually liking how it looks now. Don't know. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead, apply some mascara and do some lashes. Then we're gonna go ahead and work on the face. I just finished applying lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Zaya and I'm gonna place it my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of that color Howl. I'm gonna place it on the lower lash line, just a little bit. So before I go in with blush, I'm gonna bronze up my face a little. So I'm not going to be using the Ace Beauté palette and go for this softer pink instead of this one, just because the look is very soft. Oh my gosh, actually that looks really nice. So pretty. I'm so glad I used this blush instead. I'm using a flat kabuki brush because I love how this applies products. So I went ahead and applied some mascara to my lower lashes. This is what the eyes are looking like so far. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using the BrowBar palette. This shade right here is going to look so, oh, that's pigmented. So that highlighter is literally so pretty. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna be taking the Pericone No Makeup lipstick. This is what the color looks like. I don't think it's gonna look, I don't know how I feel about this. We can always just see. Okay, doesn't look bad, but I am more of a lip liner and gloss type of girl. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Last but not least, I'm gonna be using the Ciaté London Everyday Vacay setting spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. This doesn't smell bad, but it has this like weird scent. Kind of bothers me, but then it kind of doesn't. So I just applied a little bit of that translucent powder from the BrowBar palette because my face was just looking a little too shiny. It's not to say that I don't love a glowy dewy look, but when it looks very like almost like oily, I'm not feeling that. And that maybe can be because of the setting spray or just the foundation I use. The foundation I use is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. So that is it. This is the look, you guys. What do you guys think? I love how my skin looks. My eye makeup, it doesn't look bad. I can work with it. Morphe times Manny MUA palette, it's not bad, but the mattes weren't bad. I didn't love them. Is it a palette that I would say, oh girl, spend your coin on it? I don't think so. But I really love the HBT Blush in Paradise palette. This palette, I love this color. It went very well with the eye makeup. You can't really see my blush, but you can see it. This skincare product, I do have to continue using it, see if I see like a difference in my skin. So the setting spray, it's not bad. It felt nice. The Pericone MD lipstick, it looks very nice. I honestly love this. This actually looks really nice. At first I wasn't feeling it too much, but I actually really like it, like I said. So when you do purchase the base box and the premium, you're not gonna get the same thing in both of the boxes. I don't know if it's ever happened to anybody, but this is my first time ordering both of them. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Tell me what you think. Do you see yourself purchasing a Boxycharm base box or the premium? So all the products that I use in this video are going to be in the description down below, as well as my social media links. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great and amazing day, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, you guys.